In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk SMS in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the process from the contact section all the way to saving your bulk text message setup. This is useful when you want to reach a group of contacts at once, whether you're sending reminders, announcements, or quick updates. As always, make sure the contacts you're messaging have given proper consent to receive SMS communications before sending anything out. First, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where your contact list is stored. Once you're in the platform, look over to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to the contacts area. Then click on contacts to open your full contact list. Now you'll need to choose the people you want to message. To do that, click the checkbox at the left side of the top contact row. This will begin selecting records from the list. If your target audience includes more contacts than what appears on the current page, look for the Select All Records option that appears at the top. Clicking that will highlight the entire set of contacts that matches your current view, which is especially helpful if you're working with a larger list. After your contacts are selected, click on More. This opens additional actions you can apply to the selected records. From that menu, choose Send SMS. Then, when prompted, select the Bulk SMS option. This tells Gohighlevel that you want to send one message to multiple selected contacts rather than message them individually. Next, you'll be asked to write an action name. This is mainly for organization, so choose a name that helps you recognize the campaign later. For example, you might label it based on the purpose or date, as long as it makes sense to you and your workflow. After that, enter the phone number that will be used for sending. Be sure you're selecting or entering the correct sending number associated with your setup. Then move to the message field and type your SMS message. Keep your message clear, concise, and easy to understand. Since text messages are short by nature, it's best to get to the point quickly while still sounding natural and professional. Once everything looks good, click Save. That finalizes the bulk SMS action in Gohighlevel. Before you send messages at scale, it's always a good idea to quickly review your selected audience, sending number, and message content one more time to avoid mistakes. And that's it. You now know how to send bulk SMS in Gohighlevel.